Hello everyone, welcome back on Go ICT Academy. As we already completed the second step of applying for channel monetization, in this video, I am going to show you how the third one will be completed. Please like the video, subscribe to Go ICT Academy, and share it with anyone who wants to complete YouTube monetization.
So guys, to complete this third step, of course, we need to complete the second one, right? And as you see, the second one is now completed. Let me show you how it looks like now, because it's now in progress. We already finished it, complete it, now is in progress, to mean that we can now wait for the third step, because normally the third step completed by YouTube by reviewing your channel, right? So as you see, YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. Will mail you a decision, usually within a month. This step will begin automatically after completing the second step, right? So here what we need to do is just to wait a few days, at most 1 month, for email from YouTube tells us that our channel is either accepted for monetization or rejected, but fortunately will be accepted. So thank you for watching this video. Let us see in next video.
If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to GO ICT Academy.